Welcome to Hollis and Nancy's Homestead. My name is Nancy, and our vision is to inspire healthier families. If you like big, chewy chocolate chip cookies that you would find at a bakery or a specialty store, this video is for you. Now, during the holiday season, one of my favorite things to do is to make cookies to give it away as gifts or just to give it to parties. And one year, my daughter made me a special chocolate chip cookie, which I still treasure. And it's been over 12 years, and I probably keep it the rest of my life. It brings a smile every time I think about it. Now, the list of the ingredients and the helpful tips will be close to the end of this video. And so let's get started on making our special chocolate chip cookies. Now, the first thing you need to do is to preheat your oven to 375, if at all convection. The second thing is to add 2 cups of unsalted butter at room temperature, and add 2.5 cups of dark brown sugar, and then add 1/2 cup of white sugar. And add 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. You could never have enough vanilla extract. Makes everything taste good. And 3 eggs at room temperatures. If you want to leave the eggs out no more than 30 minutes, or if you want to do it quick, you could put it in warm water to have it room temperature. And you mix that really well until light and creamy throughout. It is so good. Then in a separate bowl, add 5 cups of all-purpose flour. Then add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. It didn't want to come out, so I had to get a spatula. And 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar. And 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Those are my 2 secret ingredients. And you just mix it well, all the dry ingredients. Then you add all the creamy ingredients and with the dry ingredients. And you're going to combine both of them and mix it very well. And you're going to see the colors change. So that's when you know that it's totally mixed throughout. It's lighter and fluffier. That's know when you're done. Then you fold in 2 cups of chocolate chips. And I love dark chocolate chips. This makes everything taste good. Then using ice cream scoop, you drop the dough. You put just about 6 on a baking tray. Doesn't that look gorgeous? And it makes about 24. Now bake at 375, and I use the top 2 racks. And you just do it for 9 to 11 minutes. You take it out just as when the outside is getting a little bit brown, and it will also cook while it's on the counter. And if you have any other improvements on this recipes, I'm constantly improving on it. Put it on the comments below, or any other recipes you would like us to try. Put it on the comments below and share it with everybody. And you're gonna love this. It is so gooey and soft and big. It's just amazing. All right, the chocolate chip cookies are almost done. The smell of the chocolate chip cookie as it comes out of the oven, I can't wait. I had to eat a piece. But if you can wait, it's best when it cools. Now, if you want to keep it gooey and soft like the way it is, make sure it's in a sealed container. If you would like it a little bit more firmer and harder, just leave it in open air and it will get hardened up. So enjoy. I'm sure your family and you are going to love eating it. As you know, goal of our homestead is to eat 90% of the food that we produce here. So we're going to be doing a lot of cooking around here. So we're going to be making videos on cooking and preserving and canning, etc. So come and join us on our journey as we go toward 90% of our foods. And it must be delicious. Here's the links. There will be links below on the products we used in this video. Also, we're going to also put the list of the ingredients and the helpful tips so you too can make delicious bakery style cookies that in your own home. And thank you for watching this videos. We love making it. If you like the videos, please share the video, like it, and subscribe. And by His hands we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen. Have a blessed day. Say, have a blessed day too. Thank you for watching our videos. We love making them. If you like our videos, we ask you to partner with us in our mission by sharing our videos from YouTube and post from Facebook to all social medias. It really inspires and encourages us. Some great places to share is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Please like if you like this video, subscribe, click the notification button so you never miss another video. Click below for products we used in the videos, and you could also partner with us without spending a penny. We welcome your encouraging comments, prayers, and questions. And thank you for watching and sharing our videos and posts. Have a blessed day.